This is gonna take some more. Okay, enough that. Hello guys. You know, don't be angry at me because I don't post anymore in my oldest YouTube. This is my YouTube channel where I make videos of, things. Yes. I cannot transport it. Marta! God! Marta, buwan! Yan yan! Pawo, sige! Grab Marta! Grab Bunini! Ito yung picture ko nung hinawakan ko silang ito. Yo, so the past 2 weeks I made a new account. I made a new account named Bla123669. I'm not gonna tell you the password. It's simply name is R. Yes, R. So I'm gonna still try to post a video. You know Ace, right? Ace is in the other videos of me. We do Minecraft. We do Minecraft because we play Minecraft. We video it, then mga matagal lang kasi ang video namin. Mga 15 or 16 siguro yun. Kasi hanggang lang yun kasi video. Hanggang 11 lang. 11 minutes. We did a crazy thing. Such as Roblox, Brookhaven. We found a bunch of sus people. They're doing the go. Yeah, they're doing the daga. Then we pretend we knew. Ace and me pretended we noobs. Yes. So I missed that. This YouTube channel name, I cannot post it, but Ace, Rowan, and Ace and Roro dapat to. Friends. Yeah. I'm gonna change it. Then I saw Ace playing Geometry Dash. We have a good time we played. Now, the grand result, the Roblox time. So I tell you my name in Roblox. Blah123669. It started with a P small, L small, A small. Tapos 123669. That's my name. Then also I'm second C. You know, the pass in me. I play Roblox. I'm in level, I think level 50 or 100. So that oh, I remember now. That account is Jelly12366. Ay, Jelly1234501. Yes. I'm not gonna tell you the password. No, Martha, no. Martha! Good, sabi siya. Nya. I missed that. Once I'm at my Ruby Jane 12366. Ruby Jane 12345. 5,000. Laki ng level na yun. Kaso nung nahack, dami na sa akin nahack. Dami ako account, guys. Shh! Martha! I made the stupid one, then the crazy one, the insane guapo Roro, level 1,000 na sa Black Sprout. Guapo, tapos the insane guapo. Eh, dito ba dito insane Roro guapo? Ah. Martha! Then the family Roro, the crazy Roro, Ace and Rowan, guapo, and kawawa ako na hack. Then kawawa kawawa, 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 kawawa. Ako na hack. Try nyo i-add friend yan lahat. Please add friend nyo ko. Please add friend nyo ako.